YouTube is not easy. It's a tough game. It's difficult to get your first 100 subscribers. It's even more difficult to get to 500 subscribers. So, how do you grow super fast in YouTube?
And the Oscar goes to... the table and he's hiding from the drone.
Most of the YouTube channels which grow fast in YouTube have one thing in common: trends. These channels spotted the trends and created videos on them, capitalized on the trends, and are growing huge on YouTube. Before we get to learn how to create videos on trends, let's get to know the three types of trends: evergreen trends, seasonal trends, and power trends. Any discussion of trends is not complete without the mention of Google Trends, which is the sanctum sanctorum of online marketers, YouTubers, and anyone who is researching and growing with trends. Trends that stay forever are called evergreen trends. Evergreen trends are topics that do not go outdated at least for the next 5 years, or maybe the topics that stay for your entire lifetime. Beethoven, Mozart, how to tie a tie, how to lose weight, healthy breakfast ideas are all few evergreen topics and trends. Let's jump to Google Trends and explore some evergreen topics. So here we are in Google Trends. Let's type weight loss. We are going to do 3 changes here. Change from US to worldwide. Change from 12 months to 5 years. And we are going to leave all categories undisturbed. And change from web search to YouTube search. Now we see a rising graph, which means the popularity of weight loss is increasing. This is good news for all YouTubers selling weight loss products or equipments, passing tips on diet plans, gym and yoga instructors, and any YouTube channels into health, wellness, and fitness categories. Let's scroll down below, and in the interest by region, we find that Pakistan has the highest level of interest, followed by Mauritius, South Africa, and India is in 4th place. At first glance, it looks like Pakistan is extremely popular. But wait, a magic is about to happen. Click on this drop down and change from region to city. Pakistan as a country is popular, but Indian cities are topping the charts in popularity for weight loss. It's not a thing to brag about, but it's definitely a great news for YouTubers in fitness and wellness with urban Indian audiences. Now when we scroll down below, we see related topics and related queries. Related queries is a great place to get ideas for your video topics. If you're thinking of creating videos around weight loss, these are few popular queries around weight loss. Yogasan for weight loss, Versatile Wiki weight loss, Dr. Shalini weight loss, Sabja seeds for weight loss, Jagannath Dikshit weight loss. Now what we'll do is, we'll classify these search queries into 2 types: branded queries and non-branded queries. Non-branded queries are Yogasan for weight loss and Sabja seeds for weight loss. Branded queries are Versatile Wiki, Dr. Shalini, and Jagannath Dikshit. Versatile Wiki and Dr. Shalini are famous YouTubers. The third name, Jagannath Dikshit, is famous for 2-meal diet plan. Interestingly, he doesn't have a YouTube channel. So whoever spotted him becoming popular for weight loss started creating videos around him and raked good views. Also, did anyone spot the word breakout next to related search queries? Guess what breakout could be? If you see breakout, it means that the search term grew by 5000% or 50 times in the time period that you have selected. So that's a huge growth, and you should capitalize on it and make videos on them. So the take home for evergreen trends is always look for data at least for 5 years. Always look for topics that are growing. Seasonal trends are trends that come once in every month or once in every year. New Year resolutions, Christmas trees or gifts, Diwali sweets, Olympic games are all examples of seasonal trends or topics. Hunting for trends is one thing, and once you're hunted, stay ahead of the schedule in creating videos for them. It's pretty easy to stay ahead of the schedule for seasonal trends, using Google Trends of course. Here we are at Google Trends, and let's explore some seasonal topics. Let's begin with face painting. We are going to do 3 changes here. Change from US to worldwide, change from 12 months to 5 years, change from web search to YouTube search. Did you notice that The graph for face painting is neither rising nor falling. It is peaking from September to October every year at this time. Can you guess why face painting is popular during September to October in the past 5 years? Cause it's Halloween and people are searching for Halloween horror makeup ideas. Now let's compare face painting with Halloween makeup. They are both peaking up at the same time of the year. That's because many people are searching for queries like face painting Halloween easy, easy face painting for Halloween, face painting for beginners, face painting for kids during the Halloween season every year. Halloween makeup is obvious as a seasonal topic, but face painting, though not obvious, is a good example of seasonal topic. If you are a YouTuber into makeup and beauty, you can come up with a face painting tutorial and release it just before the start of the Halloween season, before the big channels release their videos. With the help of Google Trends, you can get the timing right and also identify popular search queries to create videos. Power trends or hot trends. Trends that are super powerful and they come and go. ASMR, Ice Bucket Challenge, Slime are few examples of power trends. Power trends or hot trends happen when there is a sudden spike of interest from people. Almost all huge channels, the dinosaurs of YouTube, try to compete and create videos on power trends. So there is a huge competition that's going on. That doesn't mean as a new YouTuber, you shouldn't work on hot trends. As long as you can create value, you will be able to stand out with your content. So confidently catch the hot trends and create videos with a unique voice and tons of value packed in it. According to Google, mundane everyday tasks like studying, shopping, cleaning, or changing to a community experience. So if you're a YouTuber planning to create with me videos like cook with me, shop with me, exercise with me, clean with me, study with me. So all these with me trends are sizzling hot and popular. So catch them and capitalize on them. At the time when I'm creating this video, there is a trend that is taking over the entire world. Corona or coronavirus. Corona has hit the world very bad and most of us are searching for when are things going to be normal. But for educational purposes, this trend has changed lives and searches of people all around the world. The world will not be the same again for some time now. So it is even more important to spot the trends and stay updated on them, produce content for the trends that are popular and growing, catch the trends and capitalize on them. I'm equally invested in your growth in YouTube. So feel free to ask any questions or share your experience in the comment section below.